Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today we are taking a spin through one of the prettiest parts of Warwickshire, Royal Leamington Spa. The drive itself is just spectacular, especially on a day like this. I'm starting here right on the edge of the town center. You can see the sunlight is just glorious. It's that perfect, crisp, low autumn sun that makes everything look a little bit golden. Even though we are in late autumn heading towards winter, the light is what really elevates the mood today. Leamington is famous for its elegant Regency architecture, and as we move along here, watch how light catches the white stucco buildings. It's a very calm, stately town. It feels like stepping back in time just a little bit, and I find that charm really translates well on camera. For anyone who hasn't been, it's a great blend of historic market town with a really contemporary thriving feel. It's a nice little nod to the local history, and it's a beautiful way to start journey before we head out into the countryside. Okay, now we are starting to transition into the country roads, and this is where the drive really gets good. We are hitting these classic British country roads, the kind that wind and roll through the fields with hedges over on both sides of the road. Look at that, the fields are so green, and you can still see pockets of those classic autumn colors holding on. A few weeks ago, this drive was honestly 100 times better. The trees were absolutely blazing with reds, oranges, and golds. It was peak autumn perfection. It's a little bittersweet knowing we have missed the absolute peak, but even now, in this late stage, the structure of the trees and the way shadows falls across the fields is just stunning. It shows you that this area has beauty no matter what time of the year. I love driving these lanes this time of the year because they are usually quieter and you get a real sense of peace and isolation even though you are only a few minutes from a major town. It's all about appreciating the subtle beauty of the Warwickshire landscape. As we continue along here, keep an eye for those ancient, gnarly looking oaks. They are the last holdouts of the colors. They make fantastic focal points for the camera. If you are ever in West Midlands, I highly recommend finding these lesser known back roads around Leamington Spa and Warwickshire. They are driver's delight and a photographer's dream. We are coming up to the end of the stretch now. I hope you have enjoyed this little virtual tour of a sunny, late autumn drive in Royal Leamington Spa. Let me know in the comments if you have been here before. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more drives. See you next time.